there were several people who own property. All of those owners would have to be present to sign that lien, right? So the fact that these people right here or right there, their bond members accepted your signature on that crap, proof that you owned it already. And I smell stink. Take a picture and send it to me if they did. Now, after you left the table, some funky stuff happened. They stamped pay to the order of on it, Linda Green or this other, usually a bank vice president, signed that and process it through the Federal Reserve for electronic credits. Did any of these attorneys tell you that the mortgage scam is a scam and that it was the alleged loan was generated with your signature? It was generated with your signature. No, but did anybody tell you that Modern Money Mechanics is a publication put out by these dudes who know way more about the fracking banking system than I do? They said that these people are granted 9 times the amount that went into a demand deposit account when they processed that through the Federal Reserve for electronic credits. Thank you. I done my homework. Anybody don't think I know what I'm talking about? Bring that shit to the table. Let's go. Okay? And if I'll shut the hell up. But right now, you guys y'all just trying to run me out of business, doing y'all little thing over there. No, it's not where it's not. I'm still here. And it really doesn't matter what you guys do to me. My website's in Pakistan. My people are all over the world over there running it. So if I disappear tomorrow, the website's still going to be up and rolling. Or get back up and roll.